Hi everyone, I am Annie here, and this is my latest project. It's the Mother's Day gift box with the journal. Project, and actually it's the vintage lady here because I glue this part. I should glue it higher because the journal is quite big, so we cover the face here. Actually you can see the face here, and this is the gift box, and I purchased all these images from Etsy. Who interested to buy this, you have comment below, so I will share the link with you. And actually I enlarged the size so I can use it to my project. And I first cut out all this and the flower also from the digital image, like so. And this is the back end. Actually I didn't glue it, this part, and I have to layer with another. Anyway, this is just the back, and this is the box to hold the journal here. So this is the lady. Okay, and I remove this. Take out this one, you can see the face very clear, like so. This is pretty gift box, like so. And I alternate with the ruffle lace here, and the hat here with the organza flower, and some fussy color, and the bling bling, beaded. Actually it's a hair clip, like so. The box like so to hold my journal. This is my journal, beautiful. It's actually underneath is a heart-shaped doily, and I layer with another doily here, and as the lace underneath and ruffle. And I print this image on this paper doily, and I decorate with the organza flower here and the beads here, and mother and daughters, and underneath also with the fussy color flower and the green, like so. And some lace here. Make it simple and pretty, and you can see it's quite thick because underneath here I layer with another, like a wool. I don't know how to call this. It's quite thick. So this is the page underneath, like so, and I layer in another. This how to call this color is so pretty, like a vintage pink or tattered pink, something like so. And I make this, you can use this as a pocket here, but I didn't put anything underneath, just make it simple and pretty, and layer with the leaves and a first cut from the digital image, so like so. Happy Mother's Day. And I use this ring to hold this together. And this is another page. It's a heart-shaped doily, and actually this also is the doily underneath, to cover. And this is the cake. I printed out, enlarge the size, and layer with this trim, and underneath also is the doily and sweet, so. And it's the leaves, and you can use this as a pocket here also. And I glue together two heart-shaped doily together, and like a sandwich with layer with this, and with this white ruffle lace. So I got this page and another page, another simple page, and I also print on the paper doily another image. This is also purchased from Etsy shop, and fussy cut out this and forever, and underneath also another flower underneath here, another doily, and the gift box here like so. Okay, simple and nice. And this is like the last page here. Yeah, I use this tool to glue together. If I want to make more pages, I have to actually use glue it with another fabric so I can get another pages. But anyway, I just make it simple because it's quite thick, because I want to put the box here. This is 3.5. The size is white, okay, for the white. So this is another page here, and another printout on doily, underneath another doily. And I first cut out all this beautiful rose with the leaves, and underneath here with the beaded ruffle lace, and the gift box up here, memories, and layer with another beautiful ruffle gathered lace like so. Okay, and the back here, make it just like so, simple, with another fussy cutout layer. So this is my Mother's Day gift box with journal project, and like so. Yeah, you can see cover like so. I really hope you all like this project, and just leave me a comment and let me know what you all think, and if you like this, and just give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and stay safe and take care, and God bless. Bye bye.